Hey everyone, welcome back to my 50 days English speaking challenge. First of all, thank you so much for your love and support and motivation. Every comment and every little support gives me confidence to continue this journey. So, today is day 3 and today I am in the forest surrounded by nature and beautiful trees. And honestly, when I came here, I did not only see trees. I saw, I listened for life. Sometimes nature teaches is better than book. When I look at these trees, understand one important thing: growth takes time. Look at the trees carefully. A tree does not become tall in one day. It started as a very small seed. Slowly, day by day, it grows little by little. A fast, nobody notice it, nobody perish it, nobody clap for it. But the trees keeps growing silently, and after many years, the same a small seed become a strong and beautiful trees. Our life is exactly the same when we start learning something new like English speaking, gym, business or any skills. We want quick success. We want fast result, but real success takes time. Many people start with motivation. Many people start with motivation, but after a few days they quit. Why? Because they do not see quick important. But the truth is, a small progress every day becomes big success one day. If you learn only 5 English words daily, after 1 month your vocabulary will improve. If you speak English for only 10 minutes every day, slowly your confidence will grow. Maybe today your English is broken. Maybe you make grammar mistakes. Maybe people laugh at your pronunciation, but never stop because of people. Look at the trees. A storm comes, heavy rain comes, a strong wind comes, but the trees still stand strong. Why? Because its roots are strong. In the same way, if your mindset is strong, no problem can stop you. Life will never be easy all the times. Sometimes you will feel tired. Sometimes you will feel disappointed. Sometimes you will think maybe I cannot do this. But at that moment, remember the trees. The tree does not stop growing during bad weather. It keeps standing. It keeps growing silent. It keeps growing silently, and that is what successful people do. They do not stop because life is hard. They continue because their dream is important. Another beautiful thing about trees is pettiness. A tree waits many years to become strong and tall. It never becomes in energy. It never quiets. Today's generation wants everything very fast. Fast money, fast success, fast results. But nature teacher as pettiness. Good things take time. So if you are learning English and no improving quickly. Don't feel sad. Your hard work is growing inside. You just lack roots grow under the ground. People cannot see roots, but roots are the reason the tree stand strong. In the same way, your daily practice is building your future. Even you nobody supports you, you're right. Now keep going. One day your confidence will speak louder than your fear. And always remember one more thing: a tree gives shade, fruits, and fresh air to everyone. Even after facing storms, it still helps people. So when you become successful, stay humble, help others, supports people, and never forget your journey. Today, standing here in these peaceful jungles, I feel very motivated. Nature is reminding me that growth is slow, but growth is beautiful. So never compare your journey with others. Some trees grow fast, some trees grow slowly, but every tree becomes beautiful in this own times. Your success also has its own thing. Maybe today is difficult, but tomorrow can be better. Maybe today you are weak, but tomorrow you can become strong. Maybe today you are shy in speaking English, but tomorrow you can speak confidently in front of thousands of people. Just don't stop. Keep learning. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourselves, because success does not comes to the people who quit. Success comes to the people who continue. And remember this beautiful line: every strong tree was once a small seed that never gave up. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. See you tomorrow in day 4 of my 50 days English speaking challenge. Thank you so much, everyone.